In this video, I'll show you how to download and install OBS Studio on your MacBook. OBS Studio is a free screen recording and live streaming software, and it's a great option if you want to record tutorials, gameplay, meetings, or anything on your Mac screen. To get started, open any web browser on your MacBook. In the search bar, type OBS Studio, then press Enter. From the search results, open the official OBS website. The correct website is obsproject.com. Once you're on the OBS website, you should see download options for different operating systems. Since we're using a MacBook, click on Mac OS. Now OBS may ask you to choose between different Mac versions, such as Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one your Mac uses, click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, then select About this Mac. Here, look for the chip or processor section. If your Mac says something like Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, choose the Apple Silicon version. If your Mac says Intel, choose the Intel version. After selecting the correct version, the OBS Studio download should begin. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the OBS file you just downloaded. A new window will appear showing the OBS icon and the Applications folder. To install OBS Studio, simply drag the OBS icon into the Applications folder. Wait a few seconds for the app to copy over. Once it's done, close the window and move the installer to the bin. Next, open your Applications folder, then search for OBS. Now double-click OBS Studio to open it. If your Mac shows a security message, click Open to confirm that you want to launch the app, and that's it. OBS Studio is now installed on your MacBook, and you can start using it to record your screen or stream online. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions.